What's up, YouTube? So today we've got this beautiful 94 Corvette and we are going to be changing out the seat covers. These seat covers actually came from a company called Corvette America. They specialize in Corvette restoration parts, and for this project in particular we even went with something custom. They will do custom colors if you are interested in them. For this customer we actually did a Photoshop of the seat covers. We did a factory style seat cover with red inserts to kind of offset the two different pads in the seats to give it more of a sporty look. This customer wanted to go with torch red inserts on it, so that's what we did in the Photoshop, and he was happy with the rendering, so that's what we ended up getting. So let's get these seats out and get these seat covers installed. These seat covers are actually in pretty good shape. Well, unfortunately it's nighttime, but we got the seats done and they look phenomenal. Let me come around here. We got the C4 logo embroidered in the headrest. We got the torch red inserts. Look how bright these things are. These things really pop in the daylight. So starting this red accent, we're going to change out the floor mats at a later date and do some other little bits to add a little bit of red to it to give more of a racy feel to it. But really happy how they turned out. Corvette America hit the nail on the head. Green and red, complementary colors. I used to not really like red interiors, but after seeing how bright this stuff is, I mean, they just look great. So you got the passenger seat over there, and man, they sure are comfortable with brand new foam in them. Feel like brand new seats. So, alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked it, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned. We'll get back to you guys on the next one. Alright guys.